How to become straight a writing student. Step 5. Craft a powerful story. Formulate the argument with a goal in mind. To ensure that it relates to existing work and is supported with careful reasoning and proper evidence. Next, to get your creative juices flowing, the sources recommend putting yourself in the right mindset by talking to friends, walking, or reading well-crafted publications like The New Yorker. Internalization. You should reread material until the facts settle in your mind. Taking breaks or even napping allows the pieces of the argument to float around in your head, helping you find unique connections, and sometimes you can gain ideas during breaks. Too little or too much detail creates an unbalanced outline. A good outline is balanced. If it is too short, you have to write a lot by yourself. If it is too detailed, it limits your ideas. Arrange the main topics in order they will appear. Check whether each topic has enough information. Do more research to get enough evidence. A good outline makes writing clear, easy and flexible. Next is filling in the details. You must type actual quotes and page numbers from your sources directly into the outline under their corresponding topic headings. Length and inclusion. If a quote seems relevant, include it. Consequently, the outline may end up being longer than the projected length of the final paper, but it can help in the future. And if you are ever feeling mentally drained, don't be too upset. Start gathering your evidence and get it organized. Now you've got a ready framework and everything is set to start writing. And from there it becomes effortless and easy. Step 6. Consult an expert panel. Seek out for your professor during working hours so that you can ensure your outline meets expectations. And then choose your classmates as they understand the assignment's constraints. And choose smart friends to review the outline. It helps to identify our weakness and build our confidence. Next, explain logic steps through ensuring your argument works, testing your flow verbally. Then do final checks to ensure your paper is ready. Identify and clear areas. Catch any logic leaks and clarify points before finalizing. Verify collaboration rules. Align with your team early to set clear guidelines. Separate writing from editing. Draft freely first. Never edit while creating. Quiet isolation. Create a noise-free environment to enter deep focus and eliminate all distractions. Step 7. Write without agony. Utilize peak energy. Writing is an intellectually demanding task that requires total focus. Begin writing over a cup of coffee, or wake up early in the morning, or right after a workout. Next is execution. Try following the outline guide. Highlight the important bits and copy them into a blank document. Then if you got multiple paragraphs, take one paragraph and skim through and gather the important bits. And remember to move slowly and carefully. If you rush writing, you're probably going to make lots of mistakes. Instead, take your time writing it and have fun. Step 8. Fix, don't fixate. The first pass requires you to review your draft on the computer, like for example, improving unclear sentences. Then try removing any unnecessary repetitive points. Moreover, adding more explanation where the argument is underdeveloped. Furthermore, try strengthening transitions between sections. Lastly, check for any structural or organizational problems. Once you are satisfied with the argument and structure, these major elements should be finalized. Once your draft is complete, print it out and read it aloud. Hearing the words can help you spot mistakes or awkward sentences. As you read, mark any mistakes you find, highlight important points, circle errors, or underline unclear sentences. Review each correction carefully, replace incorrect words and improve the flow of your writing and apply corrections. Apply the changes to your draft step by step. This will make your writing clearer and easier to read. Before submitting, give your paper one final scan. This helps you catch any small mistakes you may have missed. Finally, use a checklist to make sure everything is complete and ready for submission.